The key to having satisfied clients is having happy employees. And that happiness begins with onboarding, which is anything but simple, as anyone in HR can tell you. And while these new teammates will need quite a bit from HR, when you set them up for success, you ensure that teams continue to perform at their best. And while having the right tools will help get the job done, having the right process well practiced will do so efficiently. It should be modern and optimized, leveraging the tools of today. It should harness the power of digital transformation and enable new ways of working. And when you combine the right product with the right process, you'll find you can even cut out unnecessary things. Well, you get the idea. At Praecipio Consulting, we help HR teams be more productive so they can focus on what matters most.